All right, so we are on hands-on exercise number 5. I've got a cup of coffee. I've got a beer. I'll let you just reflect on that one for a second. And hands-on exercise number 5, you're going to create a new spreadsheet. You're going to save the spreadsheet as 058 hands-on 05. And then you're going to create a tab for each of the following and then complete the tasks for each tab. So you'll create a pictures tab, an online pictures tab, a shapes tab, a screenshot tab, and then you're going to complete the tasks listed out here. And they're pretty clear. So you could read those instead of me reading them to you, and pause this video, go do your hands-on exercise, and when you're done, come on back and unpause the video for more, for my solution and more humor and reflections and more wackiness. All right, pause your video, go do it. All right, so now I'm going to show you my solution. So I'm going to create a new spreadsheet and go down there and pop open Excel and hit blank workbook right there, and then hit save right there. And then drop this into my computer right there. Hit me my browse button, and then drop that in right there. And now I'm ready to rock and roll. And the first tab I need is pictures. I'm just going to rename that one pictures. And then I need boom, 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 boom. 4 more tabs. I need online pictures, shapes, screenshots. Rename online pictures. Rename online pictures. Rename shapes, and rename screenshots. And then I could give those some colors just because I like to. And red I've been using for, hey, you're got to fix that up, so I didn't use red right there. And I'm going to go with me some green and go with me some blue. And I ain't using proper English according to like them people who study it. But I am using a dialect, which is totally proper if you don't listen to the people who are academicies up in school saying it should be this way. It's like, oh, really, it's the way it is with the people. I'm using a dialect. All right, use Google to find an image that is labeled for review. Save that image to your computer. Insert that image into your spreadsheet. Google, and we will search for... I didn't need to do that. I will search for Louisiana backyard gator barbecue. Louisiana backyard gator barbecue. I think that's about as good at a Louisiana gator barbecue. That is a pretty good image right there. Those boys got a big old gator on the oh! Wow, gator barbecue. I'm kind of liking that one, but when you go into tools and you hit usage rights and label for reviews, it changes it all. So here's a guy who's crazy, and wow, that is a gnarly looking image. And I don't know what that is. Oh, I thought that was an electrical wire. I thought that guy is crazy. That's just zip lining. I thought it was like an electrical wire. So Louisiana backyard barbecue. I don't know why that image came up. Let's go with Louisiana backyard barbecue. Louisiana backyard barbecue. See what comes up. Labeled for reviews. The right image is an important thing. I think I was just liking those boys who were doing the gator bit. We're going to go with that. And that's right up here. Louisiana backyard. There we go. We're going with these boys. But can I reuse that one? Usage rights label for reuse. I think I can. What? I broke Google. All right, we're going for it. Barbecued gator whole. I can't go with that image. I'm sorry. I'm having a hard time. Okay, so we're just going to go with that one. Labeled for reuse? No. Tools, usage rights, labeled for reuse. And backyard barbecue. I don't know. That looks good. Save the image. Save image as. And BBQ. There we go. Wow, that took a long time. And then insert, picture, and barbecue. And I'm going to just grab the sizing handle a little bit there and make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to give it a little bit of a nice quality. Okay, and that was on screenshots. X, come over here to picture. Control X, took it out. Control V, put it back in, and put it in the middle. All right, I'm happy with that. What's the next one? That took forever. Online pictures. Find an image using and insert it into your spreadsheet. Online pictures. So insert online pictures. And we need and we'll do Louisiana barbecue and see what comes up at Bing. Is it different? Boop, 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 boop. We'll do that one. Insert. I don't know what they're doing. In Louisiana, they got surfboards on the car. What the heck? That's a pretty good looking picture. Shapes. Now we need to insert a shape into your spreadsheet. So go to Insert, and then we're going to go to Shapes. And the shape I'm going to insert into my spreadsheet is going to be quick and simple, 32. And hold square. Oh, there's nothing in it. That's it. I'm done. And open a web page, go to Excel, then insert a screenshot, and then close the screen clipping. So I'm just going to hit Reddit. I'll go to Twitter and Twitter Todd McLeod. And there we go. And I'll go get a screenshot of that. So insert, and I want a screenshot and screen clipping, and there we go. Now you got my Twitter info. Cool. That's it. I'm done with this hands-on exercise. I'm going to cut out sooner than later because we're already at 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Took me forever to find an image.